So the product we're talking about today is the Fifine K053 USB lavalier microphone.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
What's going on, you guys? Today we're back here again with a new review. After my microphone review where I talked about my Purple Panda lav mic, the AT2020, and the onboard mic for my camera, a company reached out to me by the name of Fifine, and they told me that they had this product here which they think would be perfect for my use case. So I decided I would check it out. I go on the Amazon page, and the use case that it lists do not say video recording. Obviously it's not a video camera, but for video recording. Now, what it does say is that it's good for audio call or video calls online, things like that. And it looks like a pretty promising product if we can get it to work with things that I would use. So my typical use case is my Purple Panda lav mic plugged into my phone sitting in my pocket, and I use that to sync up externally, and this lets me record videos like this. So the one thing that's different, or really different about this, is that it's a USB interface. So the product we're talking about today is the Fifine K053 USB lavalier microphone. And it does have a built-in sound card in the USB adapter, but enough talking about it, let's dive in and take a look at the product. So opening the box, we have the instruction manual here. We have the USB portion of the device, and it's in this nice little foam support for the box. And then we have the microphone and the USB portion for it to plug in. So let's get that stuff out of the way and take a look at this microphone. So first thing I notice, while it's USB, the cable is extremely long. It's like close to 6 feet at least. And it, honestly, if it doesn't work with my external devices like my phone, then I'm probably not going to be able to use it. But now, in order to use this microphone the way that they say it should be used, we need to bring in a computer. And I happen to have one right here. The only other thing we're missing now is the USB-A to USB-C adapter, which I have right here. So if we plug this in and then plug in this microphone here, we are instantly greeted by a blue LED inside the microphone that is coming on, and I will try to flip this up so you guys can hopefully see it. I don't know if it's going to work, but from there, I guess what I should do is clip this on first of all. So I'm going to clip it right next to this microphone. So there we have it, and then I'm going to open up my audio recording app, and we are going to record a quick sample of audio. So here we go. Here we have a sample of what the audio would be like in the Fifine K053 USB lavalier mic. I'm not going to do any clarity adjustments, just some volume adjustments so you get what this microphone will sound like out of the box. I have it recording on the simple audio recording app available in the macOS App Store, and yeah, I am going to probably see how this sounds in post. So we're going to go ahead and stop that, and once we started that, it initially started to blink in a blue in a blue light. The blue light started blinking once we started recording. So this is sort of the typical use case. They obviously would have you use it for something like FaceTime audio or Skype, but for me, this is what I would use it for as far as something like a voiceover if I'm on the road. But yeah, this is not exactly the way I would use this product. So the way I would use this product is with my phone. And we happen to have that right here. So on my phone, I keep an audio recording app, which is right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and plug this adapter in and see if it works. So first thing, we do have the light up on the microphone. So we are going to set this down here and hit record and see if it starts blinking. So yeah, it has started blinking, and that means it is recording through this microphone. So we will get an exact comparison. Just to put it in perspective, my microphone that I'm currently using is hooked up to my Pixel 1 XL, and this microphone is hooked up to my Pixel 2 XL. So just like my last microphone comparison video, up here in this corner I am going to put which microphone I'm using, and that way you guys can have a good reference to go off of for what this microphone sounds like. So one thing I wanted to mention is that the size of the Fifine K053 is quite a bit larger than the size of the Purple Panda lav mic, and yeah, it hopefully will sound a little better, but yeah, the actual size of the two microphones is vastly different. I'll show you guys that in some B-roll, but the other major comparison between these two is that this microphone, the K053 from Fifine Technology, is only $16.99 on Amazon right now, and it's got Prime shipping, so you can buy this product and have it shipped to you in 48 hours if you're a member of Amazon Prime, and they seem to have good stock. So it was mentioned to me in a comment on my last video that the Purple Panda was sold out and being resold on eBay for ridiculous amounts of money, whereas this microphone is a little bit cheaper than the Purple Panda, but hopefully in post we can see if it has the same level of quality. So that's going to wrap it up for me on this video, you guys. I hope that this microphone review showed you a little bit about how this microphone performs in comparison to a microphone at a similar price point. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or comments or concerns, because I do read and answer all my comments so far. Like this video or dislike it if you dislike it. I don't really care. Subscribe to my channel. I'm at 48 subscribers at the time of filming this, so hopefully we can bump that up to the 50 subscriber mark. That would be a huge deal for me. Thank you guys to everyone who watched my videos, and I hope you have a wonderful day.